Introduction. Welcome to the unique world of Symphony imaging, where leading 3D holographic display technologies open new horizons in 3D content visualization. Today, we will show how this advanced technology transforms the space around us, offering a new level of interaction with three-dimensional objects. Revealing the depth and volume. Watch how the 3D model of a pyramid comes to life, demonstrating amazing volume and depth achieved through the unique properties of the Symphony imaging display. This demonstration illustrates how advanced visualization technologies transform ordinary objects into captivating three-dimensional images. The quilt. The quilt is a collection of different viewing angles of a 3D scene, where the bottom left corner represents the leftmost perspective and the top right the rightmost. This technology allows Symphony imaging software to convert existing 3D environments, such as Unity or 3.js, into complex quilt images. When such a quilt is displayed on a real Symphony imaging display, it creates the illusion of three-dimensionality. As the gaze shifts from one side to another, the eye observes changing perspectives, creating a sense of depth and volume. Pay attention to how the perception of the scene dynamically changes with different viewing angles, highlighting the unique capabilities of Symphony imaging's holographic display. The zero parallax plane. Inside the rendering volume of Symphony imaging, different depths have different optical properties. Objects appear most clearly on the zero parallax plane. Objects on this plane do not move as the viewer's head moves, unlike objects that are closer or further away. Notice the zero parallax plane inside the display. This feature of the Symphony imaging technology allows objects to maintain clarity and stability regardless of the viewing angle, which is critically important for creating a realistic 3D image. Interactive example of parallax and blur. On this step, notice the dynamic movement of the text as it approaches and recedes from the zero parallax plane. This is not just a visual effect, it's a vivid demonstration of how parallax and blur works in Symphony imaging technology. As the text moves, its image becomes clearer or more blurred depending on its position relative to this key plane. This illustrates how the perception of depth and volume changes depending on the position of the object and the viewer. By applying this knowledge, we can improve the quality and clarity of visualization in 3D space, optimizing the placement of elements and controlling parallax effects. Such an interaction of text with 3D space opens new horizons for design and presentation of information, allowing for the creation of more attractive and intuitive visual representations. Blur remediation. To reduce the blurring caused by parallax, we use special image processing methods. Placing important content on the zero parallax plane and applying a depth of field effect allows us to achieve high sharpness and quality in visualization.
Align the base, item 11, with the bottom cover, item 12. Place the base, item 11, on a level surface. Optional, align and insert the decorations, items 8 and 9. Align the upper support, item 7, to the lower vertical support, item 11. Use screws, item 10, to secure the two vertical support sections together. Optional, align and insert the decorations, items 5 and 6. Carefully slide in and attach the display unit, items 1 to 4, to the center of the upper support unit, item 7. Secure the display by hearing the clicking sound. On the provided hook, remove the 3M tape at the back of the hook and place them back of the base, item 11. You can place them any way you desire. Connect the power cable to the display and hook the cable to the hook you put on the base, item 11. Double-check all connections and screws to ensure they are tight and secure. Clean the kiosk surfaces with a soft, damp cloth to remove any smudges or dirt. Insert the USB thumb drive into the back of the display. Give it 5 to 10 minutes depending on the size of the contents until the device presents the video. Use a cloth to wipe the surface of your desired area to place the display. Place the bottom cover, item 12, in your desired area. Place the upper support mount, item 7, on top of the bottom cover. Optional, align and insert the decorations, items 5 and 6. Carefully slide in and attach the display unit, items 1 to 4, to the center of the upper support unit, item 7. Secure the display by hearing the clicking sound. Connect the power cable to the display. Clean the kiosk surfaces with a soft, damp cloth to remove any smudges or dirt. Insert the USB thumb drive into the back of the display. Give it 5 to 10 minutes depending on the size of the contents until the device presents the video.